Hey there guys, welcome back to another session of your Innovators Launchpad course. And in today's course, we are basically, gonna continue with the robotics section, and we are gonna make a two-legged walker robot. I know it sounds a little complicated, but trust me, once you see it in action, once actually try to make it, it's relatively rather simple. Basically we'll use some electronic items and some very household items, and put them together to make our robot, which will actually walk on two legs. So without wasting any more time, let's start. For this, we're going to need some ice cream sticks, a big straw, few toothpicks, few small straws, and a few electronic components like connecting wires, a 9-volt tab, a 9-volt battery, a simple switch, and a dual shaft battery operated motor. So we are going to start by taking our motor and our 9-volt battery, and we'll use some hot glue to basically fix this battery on top of our motor. We are then going to take our switch and use some hot glue to fix it over here. We will then take our 9-volt battery connector and attach the red wire on one of the motor terminals. Then just twist the cable to secure the connection. And then take the negative or the black wire and attach one of its end to the switch. We will then take a small piece of connecting wire, attach one end to the other part of switch, and then take the other end of the wire and attach it to the motor. We will then use hot glue to basically secure all of our electronic connections. And then just wait for the glue to dry off. Once the glue is dried off, just connect the connector with the battery and switch it on. You can see the motor is now rotating. Also make sure that so this side is the front side of our robot, so our motors should rotate as such only. If your motor is rotating in the reverse direction, all you need to do is just swap these two connections and you should be fine. Then take two pieces of straw like this and use some hot glue to attach them. Then attach the straw assembly to your motor over here. And then just wait for it to dry. Then take these two pieces of straw. Make sure that you use the straws that already have these bends in them, and then take a few smaller pieces of the bigger straw, insert it over here, and then we are just going to use some glue gun so that it does not come out. But make sure that you don't completely fix them together. We want this to freely rotate. Similarly, we have created the other assembly also. Then take a small piece of ice cream stick and use some hot glue. And fix this over here. And then just wait for it to dry off. Similarly, we have created another piece as well. These two pieces will basically work as the legs of our robot. We will then use some more glue to add over here. This will basically make our feet much more grippy. Just wait for it to cool off and then you can put it down. Once this is done, use some hot glue to basically fix your legs onto the motor shaft. And then just wait for it to dry off a little. Similarly, we have attached a leg on the other shaft also and used some black tape to secure it even further. Now we'll take a small piece of straw and use some glue gun to fix it over here. Give it a few minutes to dry off. We have added another piece of straw on the other side of motor also. Now take a piece of toothpick, insert it in these straws over here and use some hot glue to fix them with the legs. Similarly, we have added a toothpick on the other side as well. With this, our walker robot is now complete. Want to create some more complex mechanical walking robots? Maybe something that walks on 4 legs or something that walks like a turtle. Just go on to our website avishkar.cc. You can buy the ER series Pro Kit from there and join the robotics micro degree course. So that was all for this video, guys. I hope all of you had a good time and you were able to understand that how we can make something like a 2-legged walker robot. Once you're done with the robot, please feel free to share that with us on our Facebook community page, Let's Avishkar. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you again next time.